Have you ever wondered what lies beneath your feet? Not a few meters underground, not even a few kilometers, but deep inside the Earth itself. Humans have landed on the moon, explored the deepest oceans, and sent spacecraft beyond our solar system. Yet we've barely scratched the surface of our own planet. In fact, the deepest hole ever drilled by humans reached only about 12.2 kilometers. That might sound impressive, until you realize the Earth is nearly 6,400 kilometers from the surface to its center. It's like making a tiny pinprick in the skin of a giant apple. So why couldn't we go deeper? The answer begins in one of the coldest places on Earth, the remote Kola Peninsula in northwestern Russia. In 1970, Soviet scientists launched one of the most ambitious scientific projects in history. Their goal wasn't to find oil or precious metals. They wanted to unlock the secrets hidden deep beneath Earth's crust. This became known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole for years. Massive drilling machines worked day and night. Progress was incredibly slow. Sometimes it took weeks just to drill a few meters. As the drill descended, scientists discovered rocks nearly 2.7 billion years old, among the oldest ever found on Earth. But the deeper they went, the stranger things became. Scientists expected temperatures of around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they measured nearly 180 degrees Celsius, hot enough to weaken steel and destroy drilling equipment. The intense heat caused the surrounding rock to behave less like solid stone and more like soft plastic. The drill bits twisted, equipment failed, and progress became nearly impossible. Still, the team pushed onward. Finally, in 1989, they reached a depth of 12,262 meters, a world record that still stands today. But they were forced to stop, not because they had reached Earth's mantle. They were still nowhere near it. Instead, the overwhelming heat and pressure made further drilling impossible with the technology of the time. Over the years, strange rumors spread across the world. Some claimed scientists had drilled into hell. Others said mysterious screams were heard from deep underground. Stories of supernatural discoveries appeared in newspapers and television programs, but none of them were true. The so-called "Screaming from Hell" recording was later revealed to be a fabricated audio clip that spread as an urban legend. The real discoveries, however, were far more fascinating. Scientists found tiny fossils of microscopic marine organisms buried several kilometers underground. This proved that ancient oceans once covered land that is now frozen wilderness. They also discovered unexpected amounts of water trapped inside rocks deep within Earth's crust, not underground rivers, but water locked inside the minerals themselves. These discoveries completely changed scientists' understanding of Earth's geology. Despite its success, the project eventually ended. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, funding disappeared. The drilling equipment was abandoned. The site slowly fell into silence. Today, the borehole is sealed with a heavy metal cap, hidden in the frozen landscape. It marks the deepest point humanity has ever reached beneath Earth's surface. And yet, we've explored less than 0.2% of the distance to Earth's core. Think about that. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about what lies deep beneath our own feet. Every earthquake, every volcano, every mountain is connected to processes happening far below us. But much of Earth's interior remains a mystery. Perhaps one day, new technology will allow us to drill even deeper. Maybe we'll finally reach the mantle. Or maybe we'll uncover discoveries we can't even imagine today. Until then, the Kola Superdeep Borehole stands as a reminder that even on our own planet, some of the greatest mysteries are still waiting beneath our feet. So here's a question for you. If scientists could safely drill all the way to Earth's core, would you want to know what they might find?